Welcome back. We have the Chariot iScrub 26, and they're saying that the unit's not powering on. So I just removed it from charge. It charged successfully, and I'm kind of looking at some things. They're not having a deck issue, which is good. It looks like it's been elevated. The squeegee tool's up in the air. I'm gonna plug it in. Now one thing I will check, and first I'll plug it in. Now, these are AGM batteries. They're maintenance-free batteries, and as far as we know, we've been having some issues lately with the AGM batteries. I'm not sure how old these are. I have to look at the date code that's screen printed on the batteries themselves. So I'm gonna plug it in and see if we get any power. Okay, no power. Oops, sorry. Okay, so the breaker's on. We don't have any indication of power. And this is 2986 as far as the hours are concerned. E-stop is disengaged. I do want to check now the voltage. I checked the voltage on this battery pack connector, and it's showing 39, almost 40 volts. And I did check voltage on the breaker. This is the breaker here. I turned it on. So from negative to positive, once you turn the breaker on, we do get the battery pack voltage to there. So that's good. And so I was thinking to myself, looking at the damage that they've had with this onboard charger cord, something may have shorted, is my guess, or some kind of potential issue. So one of the things I like to do, and if I'm able to, I'm not so sure about Karcher Windsor machines, but I do recall that the power circuit runs through the battery charger, okay? The battery charger is right here. So if we disconnect the charger from the system, okay, like this, I'm able to turn on the machine. Okay. So if we go back, reboot the machine, because I had everything down. So right now it's in transport mode. And to activate this, whoops. I have a clean track system in here, so once the discharge meter actually turns on, okay, so the battery discharge meter is not functioning, and so we do have transport. Now let's go back to this. So what I'm seeing is one motor not operating. Let's make sure, hold on. So the deck's going down. brush was trying to move, but it's not moving. That's another issue. So here's a connector that powers from the machine down to this pad motor. Since we have pads, I was able to confirm that we do have voltage coming from the machine, but once that power is going into the motor, there is an open circuit. So with that said, we have to quote a right-hand motor. So now we got power restored to the machine, but what we have is an issue with the motor, power to the motor. Left hand works fine, and I'm gonna get this part number for this. $86361810 is the part number for that. And it's likely that we're going to see some rust and corrosion since they don't take the pad drivers off. It's going to be difficult to get the gimbal off, which is located, it's that black piece right there. That's what goes into the pad driver. So typically that hardware may get seized up. So I'm going to have to get some associated hardware for that.